Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to reset Instagram algorithm. Now this process is pretty simple and easy, but you should make sure that you have this feature in your region in Instagram. So what you should do right now is to simply open your Instagram, and I want to notify you guys that I don't have this option on my own account because I do not have this feature in my region. So now I'm gonna click on Instagram, then you should click on your profile icon right here on the bottom right side, then click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. It will jump you directly to the settings and activity. You should now scroll down till you find a section which is called what you see. Here you will find something which is called content preferences or something which is called suggested content. Click on suggested content. Once you tap on it, here you will find an option saying reset suggested content or reset algorithm. Once you click on it, Instagram will ask you if you want to really do this, because this is an irreversible process, and this may result in the display of content that doesn't typically appear in your feed. Now, what if you do not have it like so, like here in my case? You should simply go back and go to the help center or go to this option right here, then click on report problem. Then now you can simply click on go back and shake phone. You can now go back, go to the same page, then shake your phone like this, and after that it will be displayed this message. Just click on report a problem, then you can simply chat them and tell them exactly what is your problem. Tell them that you cannot have the option displayed, or tell them simply to reset your algorithm, and your algorithm will be reset. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.